Hey, how's it going everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can be helping in the fight against COVID-19. So the only thing that you will need is actually a laptop or a desktop that has internet connection. So let's just say if you just have, let's just say a netbook just lying around, you could go right ahead and get that to work. Or let's just say you have a laptop that you're no longer using, you could go right ahead and help out in the fight against COVID-19. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to download Folding at Home, and then go right ahead and how to configure it. Okay, now that you are on your workstation, you're going to go right ahead and want to go to the Folding at Home website. I'll go right ahead and leave the link in the description below. So here we're going to go right ahead and do Start Folding Now, go to Download Now, and we'll go right ahead and download the Windows installer. We're going to go right ahead and click on Next, and we're going to go right ahead and agree. Here, I'm just going to leave it as Express installation. Hit Next. And we'll go right ahead and let this start folding at home. Hit Finish. Okay, so here we do have the web interface, and here you could go right ahead and start folding as anonymous, or you can actually set up an identity. So here we'll go right ahead and do set up identity, click on start folding. Here I'm just gonna go ahead and change this to my name. The team, so the default team is 0. But I do know that there's other teams out there if you want to go right ahead and join them to go right ahead and, get those points up for folding at home. It's up to you. You should be able to find them inside of the Folding at Home website. Here, you're going to need a passkey. So to go right ahead and get the passkey, you'll just go right ahead and click on Get a Passkey. Here, you'll go right ahead and type in your name, email address, and then basically just click on Get Passkey. The passkey will go right ahead and be sent to your email address. Okay, so now that you have your passkey, we're going to go right ahead and click on Save. And there we go. So here we're already basically set up. So we have, I'm folding as basically my name. We have the team. You can also change basically the teams here if you so please. Now, you do see a power indicator over here on the bottom, so you're able to set it up to light, medium, or high. So while you're folding at home, this computer will be using electricity. So it's up to you exactly how much you want to go right ahead and basically set this up. So if you want to just basically use light electricity, medium, or just basically go full out. Now we do have an option for when, so you could go right ahead and select it while I'm working, so even right now it's going to go right ahead and start folding. Or you can also select only when idle, so whenever you call it a day, or let's just say you walk away, this program will go right ahead and start folding while the computer is idle. Now over here up on top, I support research fighting. So here I just we have it set up for any disease. So here I'm going to go right ahead and click on this, and I'm going to go right ahead and set this up for COVID-19. And that is how you set up folding at home on a laptop or desktop computer. Once again, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found this informative. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one, and we'll keep on folding for a cure.